Welcome to the 2016 Health and Wellness Coalition of Wichita Year in Review. Our vision is for the entire community to live a healthy lifestyle. The mission of the Health and Wellness Coalition has remained the same for the past 13 years, to promote physical activity and good nutrition for every generation living in the greater Wichita area. This work is done by people, programs, and policies. The work of the Health and Wellness Coalition is guided by the leadership team that focuses on the long-term impact of the work and the health of the community. Much of this work is around establishing practices and policies that advance the mission of the coalition. The leadership team consists of the members of the organizations listed. Members of the leadership team meet monthly, and the current leadership team is working on bringing new ideas and innovations to Wichita, including bike share. A substantial amount of the work done by the Health and Wellness Coalition is through the 5 working committees. The committees meet consistently throughout the year to ensure they meet their goals.
The Physical Activity Committee recruited several new members this year, forming a committee with over 12 partner organizations, as you can see listed on the screen. Walk at Work Day has been celebrated in our community since 2006. 31 work sites participated this year, with the opportunity of over 10,000 employees being encouraged to walk at work on May 18th. Over 800 people registered for Walktober this year, and over half reported their walking in minutes, steps, or miles for a combined calculated results total of 61,000 miles. Spirit Aerosystems was a presenting sponsor of Bike Month this year, along with 11 other sponsors. Bike Month t-shirts were purchased this year, claiming to make every month Bike Month. The website, calendar, and Facebook page were maintained, and successful events including Bike to School Day and Bike to Work breakfast stations. The Healthy Eating Committee featured Kids Eat Right Month in August with a Try Day Friday. We encouraged people to try new foods each Friday in August. An email was sent to Health and Wellness Coalition partners as well as our Facebook friends. Because the program was well received, the committee decided to continue a monthly Try Day Friday food feature. Monthly tip sheets can be found on the Health and Wellness Coalition website. To celebrate Food Day in October, the Healthy Eating Committee educated the community with a 4-part newsletter series that explained food waste, defined the issue, and provided tips to reduce food waste. We featured Coleman Middle School's composting program and student garden club. The 12th Annual Working Well Conference was held at the Hyatt on August 29th and 30th. The pre-conference included a highly attended Work Well Kansas Foundation training workshop and a session by keynote speaker Dr. Rosie Ward. The full-day conference featured Dr. Ward and Dr. Vic Strucker, who spoke on the topic of life purpose. Total participation for the conference was 316, including speakers, vendors, sponsors, and committee members. Several new features were added to the conference, including moving the location to the first floor ballroom of the Hyatt and doing a give-back session at lunch, creating over 500 dental kits that will be handed out to those in need. To enable networking for worksite wellness professionals throughout the year, 4 think tank sessions were held. Topics included how to promote healthy sleep, engagement in health, how to show value on investment, and encouraging healthcare consumerism. 55 individuals registered for Think Tank this year.
The purpose of the award is to reward a healthy school environment by advocating for physical activity and healthy eating for students and staff. For the 10th year, local schools received up to $1,000 grants thanks to funding from the Wichita Community Foundation. The schools recognized in 2016 were Cheney Elementary, Beach Elementary, and Ray Wood Elementary. Bright Science and Communication Magnet was also awarded and is featured above as students assemble the Mr. Bones puzzle. Regular meetings occurred during this year with the following topics. In January, a panel presentation representing the state of wellness in Wichita. In March, Wichita Parks and Recreation current offerings and future projects. In May, Bike to School Day volunteering at Riverside Leadership Elementary Magnet. July, a social media training. September, retail food donations feed people, not just landfills. And November, City of Wichita Parks and Recreation accreditation, pictured in the slide above, and in 2016 year in review brainstorming. A monthly newsletter was sent to approximately 8,000 individuals on an average open rate of 20%. The Health and Wellness Coalition continues a social media presence on Facebook and Twitter. Follow and interact with us on our social media venues. The Health and Wellness Coalition is looking forward to hosting its first ever eating event on March 30th, 2017. Join us for tips, tools, tricks, and tasting for healthy eating inspiration. There are many ways that you can get involved with the Health and Wellness Coalition of Wichita to promote physical activity and healthy eating in the greater Wichita metro area. We hope you will join us in 2017 and beyond.